so beautiful for this world. Oh, you are so really trying to get a hold of you.
Sorry. Hello.
Hey, you ran a search on the DNA from the bones.
Sorry, not interested.
Not interested. Oh, right. Who is this there?
Look, you shouldn't call this early.
They're not supposed to be calling
Look,
us.
Pete wants to meet his apartment 2 o'clock.
Hey, we're on the no-call list. What you're doing is illegal.
She's right. It is. I can't believe I let the two of you walk me onto it.
At last.
Person and generation. His stud price was at 150,000 euros, but he only covered a single man before the fire. One. Which is why I know he was murdered. It
Doesn't say anything here about murder or arson.
In horse breeding, genes are everything, and Fitzpleasure had the best ones. His owner stood to make millions spreading his seed.
Now, much blindness on the wrestler FBI. There needs to be a consistent threat. And then we lost power on the 15th floor. What's going on?
There's been a breach on floor 15.
We lost the fees. Right now.
Don't shoot! FBI!
What's going on?
FBI, lower your weapons. What's going on? Princess Sonia, there's been a breach. I need you to come with us.
12, just...
My child will be safe.
Days, 2 have gone missing within the last...
With my husband like a normal person.
Yeah, well, you are not a normal person. You don't have a normal job. And that's okay, because it's your mother, not you.
You said you love normal.
Or I love except hurt.